Hello kids, in this video I will help you to listen, learn and write in 3rd standard English, 3rd unit, little by little poem, writing work part 2. First what you should do? You should write the index, write the date and the topic. Let us start the concepts. First concept. Answer the following questions. It comes under reading is fun. First question. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. You can see the acorn. So, name the tree that the acorn grows into. Answer. An acorn grows into an oak tree. An acorn grows into an oak tree. You can see the oak tree. How big it is, isn't it? Mighty oak. We learnt in our poem. Mighty means strong. Okay. Now, the second question. What things does a seed need to grow? What things does a seed need to grow? You just observe the picture. Just observe the picture. So what are the things? Water, soil, sunlight and the air, isn't it? You already studied even in your EVS, the plant fairy chapter. Okay, let us see the answer. A seed needs water, air, soil and sunshine to grow. A seed needs water, air, soil and sunshine to grow. Next question. How many describing words can you find in this poem? How many describing words can you find in this poem? Answer. There are 8 describing words in this poem. They are tiny, slender, mighty, wide, little, mossy, deep and thread-like. In different places it was used. Just I want to show the picture. I want to explain the words also. Tiny. What is the meaning of tiny? Tiny seed. Tiny means small. Okay. Even the word little also small. Okay. Tiny means very small. The next word slender. Slender. Slender means very thin. You can observe the picture. How is the stem? Slender. Slender stem. Very thin stem. Mighty. Mighty means strong. Mighty means strong. Here the plant, it grows. After it grown, it become mighty. Mighty means strong. Now wide. Wide. Wide means, for example, you can see the roots widespread, isn't it? Yes. You can see wide. Wide means just like a breath. Okay. Little. Little again I told you small. Mossy. Mossy means greenery. Okay. Just algal growth. It will be slippery green. That is mossy. Near to the forest, near to the water tank and all, mossy it will be. Now, deep, deep, deep root. Root is a naming word. Deep root. How is the root? It grown deep inside the land. Next one, thread-like. You can observe the root. How is the root? Just see, it is looking like thread. It is looking like thread. So, thread-like root. Okay. Yes. Now, let us learn the next concept, that is some pictures given. You should talk about that. So, here you will listen, understand, and afterwards you can write in your notebook. Okay. Look at the pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. You can see the picture. Picture 1, picture 2. So here, this is a picture 1 and this is a picture 2. You can see the picture is smiling and this picture is crying. And this picture gives so many things like a good air, oxygen, okay, and medicinal things like honey and all. If a tree with the fruits and all, then only the honeybees will make honeycomb and the honey we will get it. And a lot of fruits, okay. So many things we get from the trees. Here, even the birds also, they are resting very peacefully. Okay, the bird's nest and all you can see in a proper shape. But here you can see the bird's nest, it is not in the proper shape, damaged. And cutting the trees and burning forcefully, we are making to move away the birds. So these are the things in the picture 2 you can observe. So picture 1, I give you all this. The plant give all this. Picture 2, what do you give me? That means what we give it to the trees. Let us learn the answers. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 1. Tree gives us many essential things. Tree gives us many essential things. Tree gives us medicines. Stem and leaves of the tree are smiling. You can see smiling. Birds are happy in the nest. Even though we are unable to see here birds, but you can at least understand the bird's shape is good, so birds will be happy. And here in this picture 2, how we harm the tree in many ways. How we harm the tree in many ways. We cut and burn wood from the tree. We cut and burn wood from the tree. Stem and leaves of the tree are sad and weeping. Birds are moving away from the tree due to problems created by the human beings. So these are the differences between these two pictures, picture 1 and picture 2. Okay, yes, these are the samples only, my dears. You can make your own sentence. You can observe the pictures, what you feel, what do you understand, that you can write it. Okay, now the next concept related to the pictures only. So the picture 1, you can see from that. In the picture 1, what are the things you can observe? About that, you are going to write 3 sentences. Look at picture 1. Write 3 sentences on what the trees give us. Actually, In the first concept, we compared two different trees and a comparison we had discussed. Here, separately, first picture, how is it? You should observe and you are going to write about that any three sentences. I am giving here only the sample answers. It is your due responsibility. You need to understand and you should create your own sentences. First sentence. The trees give us fresh air to breathe. The trees give us fresh air to breathe. They provide us fresh fruits and vegetables. They also provide us valuable parts which are used in making medicines. Now, the next concept that is related to the picture only. Look at picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. So picture 2 we saw, So related to that you are going to write. Once again I remind you, these are the sample answers. You should understand, observe, then afterwards you can make your own sentences also. First one. We use the wood of the trees for burning and other needs. We damage the nests on the trees and force birds to fly away from their homes. Isn't it? You can see all the birds flying away and they lost their home because trees are the home for birds. Third one. We use the stems of the trees to make furniture, wooden furniture and all. People make, so that is also one of the way we are harming the trees. Okay, yes. I hope today's concept everybody you understood at least some extent. Keeps on. Happy learning and take care all of you. Very soon in the next video I will meet you all. Okay.